Hello guys, welcome to Get Scholarship channel. Today in this video I will share an amazing opportunity with you people regarding free scholarship which is offered by the HEC. I will share all the details about this scholarship with you people. Kindly watch video till the end and please do not skip the video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates and videos. Let's start the video. So this opportunity was offered by the HEC for the undergraduate students of Gilgit-Baltistan. Applications are invited from outstanding students from Gilgit-Baltistan who intend to pursue undergraduate studies 4 or 5-year BS program from HEC recognized public sector universities awarding institutions. The scholarships are being offered for the academic year 2021 to 2022 in all areas of study disciplines under the project titled Undergraduate Scholarship Program for the students of Gilgit-Baltistan and top Pakistani universities institutions batch 1. So this is the first batch of this scholarship offered by HEC for the students of Gilgit-Baltistan. This is a very good and amazing opportunities for the people and talented students of Gilgit-Baltistan. So please avail this opportunity and apply for this scholarship as soon as possible on the HEC portal. Its link is given in the description. Next is the eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria for this scholarship? Number first, applicant must have domicile or local certificate of Gilgit-Baltistan. Applicants must have completed secondary school certificate or higher secondary school certificate or equivalent. However, priority will be given to the students who have passed completed their SSC or HSSC or equivalent from Gilgit-Baltistan. The applicants who are already availing any other scholarship are not eligible to apply. The applicants can apply to any public sector university institution in Pakistan. However, any expenditure over and above the cost given in PC1 will be borne by the student himself or herself. The maximum age limit is 22 years as of the closing date of application submission. The candidate will have to meet HEC and university criteria for admission in BS programs. Next is what will be covered under this scholarship. This scholarship will cover tuition fee, hostel fee and other charges, maximum rupees 2,40,000 per year. So this is a very huge amount which is offered and will be given to the students under this scholarship. So please must avail this scholarship and apply for this scholarship. A stipend of rupees 15,000 per month will be given to all the selected student. Books and traveling allowance of rupees 30,000 per annum will be given to the students. Some important guidelines about this scholarship which must be kept in mind at the time of applying for the test or applying for this scholarship. Number 1, candidate will be shortlisted based on their score and aptitude test and this test will be conducted by the HEC and their academic credentials. Student must secure at least 50% marks in the test to be eligible for this scholarship. Student already enrolled in any BS program in public sector universities institution prior to the advertisement may also apply. The award of scholarship will be made irrespective of gender, caste, race and religion. For further details and guidelines, please visit hec.gov.pk website. Now, next step is how student can apply for this scholarship. So, student can apply for this scholarship by clicking on the link given in the description. Fill all the details required on the portal. Number 2, HEC reserves the right to postpone or cancel the scholarship process at any stage without assigning any reason. Application in hard form will not be entertained. Applicants are required to deposit rupees 500 which is non-refundable as application fee in the account number given of Habib Bank Limited and you should upload the scanned copy or image of the bank receipt online while applying or at the time of apply. The deadline for this scholarship is October 25, 2021. So please do apply before time. Do not wait for the last day. The advertisement and all the details are given on the link given in the description. So you can kindly check all these details on the link given in the description. So this is all the detail about this HEC scholarship for undergraduate students. This is a very wonderful opportunity. Kindly avail this opportunity.